While other people were celebrating New Year, I embarked on a solo motorcycle trip that spanned over 5,400 kilometers from Bangalore to Kathmandu. This trip had it all: a very long distance highway rides, mountains, landslide affected bad roads, UNESCO World Heritage visits, Himalayan mountains and whatnot. It's not just that. I met beautiful people, learned about Nepali culture and more, which you will see in the coming videos.
This is really amazing view, guys. Look at it. Dusty, smooth, silky sand.
Welcome to India.
Hi guys, how are you? So I have started my ride to Nepal. You can see my KTM Adventure 390, and just got started. I started from Bangalore and just crossed the first toll, so.
Bangalore to Hyderabad highway is one of the best highways in India. It's just a highway and nothing much to show. This highway is a place, roads are good, they're straight and one of the quickest highways in India.
The next day.
Good morning, hope you're doing good. So I just came live to kind of give an update. Yesterday I reached Hyderabad and I got into a situation where it got a little bit difficult to get in and out of Hyderabad. Also had some kind of technical difficulties now with my motorcycle, because of which I had to stop at Hyderabad and resume my journey. Today I'll be heading towards Nagpur and I'm feeling much better. So that's the update. Okay, see you guys. Thank you so much.
Again, Hyderabad to Nagpur highway was no different. Open highways, nothing much to speak about, so I went on. I met the German man on the way who was traveling across India in his Germany registered Mercedes caravan, and when I spoke to him, he said every year he comes back to India and explores different places. We talked more about our travel plans, how both are differently equipped yet share the same feeling and love for traveling. And by the way, we did not do anything wrong. The policeman in the picture was just a passerby who joined us in our conversation. Sometimes the destination is just an excuse to ride. It's about the journey itself, the miles unfolding beneath your wheels, the changing landscapes and the towns you pass through. Every ride is a story waiting to be told. It's the people you meet, the sights you see, the moments that stay with you forever. I did not worry about the destination, what I'm going to see, what I'm going to do. I just enjoyed what's going on at the moment. I just enjoyed meeting people, eating the local delicacies, and at the end of the day, making myself comfortable at my room.
The next day.
Hi guys, how are you? Okay, so today I started from Pratapgarh and I crossed Ayodhya. I'm about 20 kilometers ahead from Ayodhya and I'm heading towards Gorakhpur. So that's an update, and the weather has been very good today. No, it's sunny, you can see here, and there is no fog. Earlier in the morning there was fog in Pratapgarh, but it got better, and now it's absolutely normal. So that's an update. And also about the motorcycle has run over 2,000 kilometers. अच्छा अच्छा। तो आगे रास्ता कैसा है?
आगे रास्ता बहुत बढ़िया है।
रक्सौल तक ऐसा ही है क्या?
रक्सौल जाना है।
हाँ, रक्सौल से अंदर जाना
रक्सौल
है,
नेपाल साइड जाना है ना।
काठमांडू। हाँ, तो इसके बाद एक्चुअली ओह लुक एट दिस, वाओ अमेजिंग।
बंगलोर टू नेपाल वेलकम है सर।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। हाँ।
जाना कहाँ है आपको?
काठमांडू।
काठमांडू।
हाँ हाँ।
काठमांडू जाना है तो अभी सीधे
भंसार कहाँ कर रहा हूँ?
भंसार तो
भंसार ही है थोड़ा आगे इंटी करके
थोड़ा आगे।
यहाँ पे एंट्री भंसार कर जाना होगा आपको।
अच्छा अच्छा, थैंक यू जी, थैंक। हाँ,
कहाँ से आया?
बेंगलुरु।
बेंगलोर से?
हाँ।
टूर काठमांडू का है क्या बिरगंज का?
काठमांडू।
सुनो तो ठीक है, ये भंसार है।
हाँ।
इंटी करके जाओ।
अच्छा, थैंक यू जी। भंसार है ना? हाँ
गाड़ी बड़ा डेंजर लग रहा है।
हाँ
यार कितना दिन का चाहिए?
हाँ,
कितना दिन का परमिट चाहिए?
परमिट चाहिए भाई, मैं बोलूँगा थोड़ा टाइम दो।
ठीक है, ओके।
कितने में करवाओगे?
100 रुपये लेगा काम करने का 100 रुपया लेते हैं आपको।
हाँ
बाकी आपका कैमरा बंद कर लीजिए।
ठीक है।
Well, the wait is over. The more adventurous roads begin. Those bridges, the river stream beside me, those twisty narrow roads and greenery. The river stream consistently accompanied me wherever I went. You will see this in this 4-part series as well. Every scene told me a different story. The story about the people, their lifestyle, their business, and so on. As I progressed, the terrain got rougher, narrower, and steeper. The roads just coiled as a millipede does when it's shaken. The scene of lush greenery enveloped me. It had a distinct earthy aroma. Going through the bridges gave me a sense of entering a la la land through a magical portal. That day was magical. Even a simple coffee I had at a humble cafe felt like a liquid gold. It energized me to tackle more challenging terrains that was going to come. Riding through the narrow roads with ups and downs and suddenly twisting roads felt like I was riding a thrilling roller coaster ride. As I climbed higher, surpassing the clouds, felt like nothing less than a heaven's gate opened.
This is really amazing view, guys. Look at it. We are above the clouds. Wow, what a view. So another thing, I just want to kind of give a reference where we are, from this scenic point. We are heading towards Kathmandu, and we are 53 kilometers away from Kathmandu. Let me just show the maps. Okay, there is Kathmandu. Guys, look at this scenic view of Kulekani. I don't know the name of this lake. I believe this is going to be a Kulekani lake. So it's an amazing view, and oh my god, look at the depth. Very pure water, you can see. I mean, what else do you want in your life, no? Look at this. So there's a ropeway there, and yes, there's also one more ropeway there. Look at this. Excellent. So guys, there's a little bit of off-road for the last 7-8 kilometers. Oh, I have encountered this off-road. This off-road is getting better and better. Oh my god. So it was even more kind of off-road to see it behind. There's a lot of stuff. I hope I can overtake this Brezza. Oh, this Brezza is lovely. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Look at that dusty, smooth, silky sand. Oh, I see that. I like. So still Kathmandu is 35 kilometers something, you can see that.